Here we are over in Harrogate this afternoon. Just installed a Starlink for a customer here. He had an existing aerial. We've chopped about 4 foot off the mast. It's got a heavy duty bracket already fitted to it. We've done that as there is this tree here. However, it is way clear of that now. It is wired down in white Cat6 cable along, down behind that downspout, round the bottom and in through an air vent there and up from under his floor. Customer had his own Google mesh in place. We've just changed the input over from Sky to Starlink, and what a difference it has made. Customers receiving speeds of over 200 megabytes per second as he opted for the £55 a month plan. And yeah, nice install by Phil and Aaron.